again, it's Kris from my girlfriend's Quilt Shop, and I'm here with another video tutorial from our Sublimation Made Simple series here at MGQS. And I gotta tell you, we're having such a great time. And once you learn the basics of how to sublimate, you're gonna wanna sublimate everything. And I mean everything. How about some cute ceramic coasters? That's right, you can put sublimation on ceramic tiles. But here's the thing. They do need to be specifically formulated to have the polyester coating on top. It can't be just any tile that you might find at the hardware store. It does have to have the sublimation coating on top. But easy to find. In fact, if you're looking for them, you can find them at our affiliate link on Amazon. We've got a link for so many different blanks, ones that have been tried, true, and tested from us here at Girlfriends. So you know that when you're getting it, you're getting a great product. All right, so I made a set of these for Christmas for a quilting friend of mine, and they were so fun and so easy to do. And it's one of those projects that someone will look at it and say, how did you do that? Well, I'm here to tell you it's just as easy as can be. Let me show you a couple of examples of what we're gonna do. So for this tutorial, I actually picked myself up some circle shaped ones. Okay, these are round coasters, and you might notice the design that I used earlier on the sweatshirt. Well, I'm going to use that same design here, but this time I've made it just a little bit smaller. And I'll go ahead and just place it right there over top. And yes, I will have a white edge all the way around. That's okay. This one is specifically made so that it's just straight up and down the flower. Okay, now the difference on this next one is I had this cute picture of great grandma with her grandson swinging in the house. How fun is that? And I thought this is going to be such a cute little memento, some kind of reminder for great grandma of how much fun she had with her great grandson. So I went ahead, printed this out just as it was. And I took my coaster and I said, ooh, if I put that down, I really can get both of them still in the same picture. So I'm going to go ahead and go with it. Let's see how it turns out. And again, I'll place my heat-resistant tape on here in several places. Now, with that being done, I certainly can just do a quick trim around the edges just so that I don't have as much ink. So with that being done, I'm ready to go ahead and flip this over. This one is already flipped over. And let's go ahead and pull our tray out and get ready to press. Place that one there and this one right there. Again, everything's nice and tight with the tape. And place a little piece of protective paper over top. Now, this one is going to take a little bit longer. You got to remember, this time we're working with ceramic. So when we're working with ceramic, it definitely is a bit longer time. But the degrees, 400 degrees, we're pretty used to that number, aren't we? And then we're about 200 seconds is what it calls for. My heat press goes up to 199. I think we're gonna be just fine. All right, let's go ahead and place that down on top. And I can't wait to see what happens. Remember when I talked about how important these gloves might be on certain projects? Well, this is one of those because this was in for 200 seconds. That means this baby is gonna be hot. All right, so it's nice that we have these protective heat-resistant gloves. Let's go ahead and pull this out. And this is definitely gonna be longer for it to cool down than normal. But because I'm so excited to see, I'm gonna just like fan it as fast as I can so that I can see the results. All right, let's take a look. Wow. Wow. Look at that, folks. Holy cow. Unbelievable. The fact that that color bled all the way to the edges, I mean, talk about a professional finish. That's amazing. And look at the smile and the happiness that I was able to capture. And now I have something to remember it forever. Now let's take a look at this one. Wow. Look how cute that is. Wow. I'm so excited. This is just a really fun gift to give, and it just shows that you put a little bit of extra meaning behind it, and I'm super excited to be able to gift it to her. That's how easy it was to do a ceramic coaster. Unbelievable. I can't wait to see what you're making. Be sure to tag us on social media using the hashtag #MyGirlfriend'sQuiltShop. Don't forget, shop is spelled with 2 P's and an E. And if you like this video, please feel free to share it with those who you think might enjoy it as well. And be sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, we'll see you soon, and keep creating. Have fun.